Fermentative production of citric acid. Animation by Mr. Mangesh More, ABCP Sangli. Introduction. Citric acid was first discovered as a constituent of lemon juice. It is used as a flavoring agent in jams, ice creams, desserts, and jellies. It is used as a preservative in ointments as well as in cosmetic products in pharma industry. In chemical industry, it is used as antifoaming agent. It is also used as a stabilizing agent for fats and oils as it complexes with metal ions and prevent the degradation of fat and oil. Production of citric acid. Lemon juice, that is 7 to 8% of citric acid is present in lemon juice. So earlier extraction from lemon juice was most extensively used. Nowadays fermentative production is done. Global production of citric acid. Surface fermentation provides 20% of global need. Submerged fermentation provides about 80% of the citric acid. These are the techniques: surface process as well as submerged process. Microorganisms required for fermentative production. Different microorganisms are tested for their ability: Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus venti, Aspergillus clavatus, Penicillium luteum, Candida catenula, out of which Aspergillus niger is the variety which is most extensively used, as the yield of citric acid is very high from Aspergillus niger variety. Strain improvement programs. Several mutants of Aspergillus niger were developed. The development is done to induce tolerance to high sugar concentration, tolerance to lower pH, and reduction in the synthesis of other byproducts like oxalic acid, succinic acid, etc. Biosynthesis of citric acid. Glycolysis leads to the breakdown of glucose into two molecules of pyruvate. Pyruvates gets converted to acetyl-CoA and oxaloacetate individually. Condensation of these two, that is pyruvate and oxaloacetate, leads to the formation of citric acid. This is the biosynthesis. Citrate synthase is the critical enzyme which is required for the synthesis of citric acid. Fermentation medium. Medium must have a carbohydrate source, either a natural organic substance like cane molasses, beet molasses, potato starch, date syrup, or refined sugars like glucose, sucrose, maltose, which are easily metabolizable sugars. Solid media contains wheat bran as well as the pulp of sweet potato starch. Nitrogen source. So ammonium salts and different forms of nitrates and urea can be used as a source of nitrogen. The medium must also contain metals like iron, manganese, zinc, and copper supplements in very low concentration. Critical factors for fermentation. Sugar concentration should be between 12 to 25, uninterrupted supply of oxygen, optimum supply of nitrogen, pH maintenance below 2.5, and optimum levels of trace elements. These are the key factors which are required for highest yield of citric acid. These are the parameters for which fermentation monitoring is done. Dissolved oxygen levels are critical, very critical. Production by surface process. Solid state fermentation. Culture medium used for solid state fermentation includes wheat bran, pulp of sweet potatoes, starch. The medium is sterilized and then the pH is, as I said, 4.5. Inoculum is sprayed as a thick layer, that is 3 to 6 centimeter thick. Incubation is done at 20 degree for 80 to 100 hours. Recovery is done by hot water extraction. Hot water extraction yields citric acid. Liquid surface fermentation. Culture medium used for liquid surface fermentation: beet molasses or cane molasses. Inoculum, that is spores of Aspergillus niger, are sprayed on the surface of sterile medium present in aluminum trays. and incubated at 30 degree for about 7 to 15 days. At the end of incubation, extraction is done. These are the steps which are involved in the recovery. Mycelium is separated from the medium by filtration. Mycelium is mechanically pressed and washed. Nutrient medium is further extracted to obtain citric acid. The yield of citric acid is about 0.7 to 0.9 per gram of sugar. Submerged process. Advantages of this is automation is possible, yield is highest. Disadvantages, the production is affected by oxygen supply, metal ion concentration, and is highly costly. Critical parameters for this: oxygen supply 20 to 25% of saturation level, effective control of foam using mechanical devices or lard oil, incubation for 250 to 280 hours. 100 to 110 gram per liter of citric acid can be obtained for each 140 gram per liter of sucrose. Recovery involves following steps. These are the unit operations which are involved: broth filtration, mycelium separation, mycelium washing, byproduct precipitation. This is done by addition of lime at a pH below 3, precipitation of citric acid at a pH 7.2 at temperature 70 to 90 degree. Further purification requires dissolution of citric acid into sulfuric acid, removal of calcium sulfate, treatment with activated carbon to separate pigmented impurities, treatment with cation and anion exchanger resin, which will separate the citric acid, crystallization of citric acid below 36 degree will yield hydrated form. Above 40 degree it provides anhydrous form. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.